Hi all. In other words, so once you create the object, right? So you creating the object. That means basically uh, you are calling the constructor of that specific class. That means a new student means you are calling a student constructor, right? Creating object means calling constructor, right? So you can see uh, we don't pass any parameter to that student constructor. That means you're calling this constructor. So once you create the object from somewhere uh, using this constructor, you don't want to pass any parameters because this constructor does not expect any parameter. But if we take this example, this constructor, right, this is called overloaded constructor. That means this is also we can consider this as a constructor because it takes the same name as class name and it does not take any return type, at least void, right? But you can see it's expecting some parameters, so then we can say it's overloaded constructor, right? So it's expecting name, nic, and address, right? Name, nic, and address, right? uh, so you can still create objects of this student class calling this constructor. So once the object uh, at the moment of object creation, so it's you can automatically assign some values to these three parameters. That means name, nic, and address, right? uh, so how can we call that? How can we call that once you create the object from somewhere? Okay, so if we need to call that parameter, uh, so we can say we can create new object using student std2 is equal new uh, new student, right? You need to pass that parameters. First you need to pass name, right? So for example we can pass John, right? And uh, the nic. So we can say that nic is 1923, likewise, right? Any nic. And another parameter which is called address. Yeah, so address parameter, so you can say